And here we have our results. So the first table that is shown gives us the basic statistics of the grid scale. We see that we have 31 respondents, which is this. We have no one missing, and we have a mean of 3.46, a median of 3.38 if you round it, and a mode of 3.38. As you can see, the measures of central tendency are very close to each other. Now this can vary when, for example, you would do research about somebody's salaries. Remember, if you put 9 people in a row and take the mean of their salary, and then you add, for example, Bill Gates, then the mean will differ a lot, but the median won't change that much. On the other hand, we have also measures of dispersions. We have the standard deviation and we have the variance. Besides, we have the minimum and the maximum. Now these two values can give you the range. So you know that the least greediest person has a score of 2 and the most greediest person has a score of 4.38. That means that the range of the grid score is 2.38. You can get that by subtracting the minimum from the maximum. You also get the percentiles. So you have the 25th, that's the 3.12. You have the 50th, that's the 3.37. And you have the 75th, that's the 3.87. Now again, that's also quite close also to the mean and the median. Now you can see this is of course the median. We will talk about percentiles when we're going to talk about the box and whisker plot. Now the second table you get is about the frequency per score. In this case, it might look a little bit strange as this looks like a continuous scale, but remember that we use the Likert scale, like much like me and not like me at all, and those kind of answers, giving you a Likert scale, which is an ordinal scale, so you can use that. Now you can also see that there are very little person with low scores. We have one person with score 2 through 2.75 as well, and the most of them are 3.38. You can also see that's the biggest percentage. Now I remember that there was a question about the valid percentage. So in this case, percent and valid percent are equal. That comes because we have no missing values. I will give you an example where there's a difference. We are missing values, so the percentage will differ from the valid percentage, which takes the missing cases into account. The last piece of information we get is the histogram of the distribution. And here you can see that actually your scores follow pretty much the normal curve. So for now, actually we're okay, and we have at least the idea that grid is normally distributed. That's it for now.